Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Nexus Mutual, the leading decentralized insurance platform designed to protect your crypto investments. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Nexus Mutual allows users to share risk and protect against losses in the crypto world. It operates through mutual risk sharing, where participants contribute funds to cover potential claims from others. The platform is built on Ethereum, making it secure, transparent, and completely decentralized. By using Nexus Mutual, you can obtain coverage for risks such as smart contract failures, exchange hacks, and even specific protocol exploits. The site provides a simple and intuitive interface to apply for coverage, manage your existing policies, or become a part of the mutual by staking NXN tokens. When you visit Nexus Mutual, you can immediately explore their available cover options. Each cover specifies the protocol it protects, the duration of the policy, and the price in ETH or DI. You'll find detailed terms and conditions for every coverage plan to ensure transparency and trustworthiness. Purchasing coverage is straightforward. Simply connect your wallet, select the coverage you need, and approve the transaction. Nexus Mutual also incentivizes active participation. Members can stake their NXN tokens to assess risks and earn rewards. This staking mechanism ensures that risk assessments are community-driven and rooted in real expertise. If you believe in the project's mission, you can also invest in NXN tokens, which serve as both the governance and utility token of the platform. Whether you're a DeFi enthusiast or a crypto investor, Nexus Mutual provides unparalleled protection for your digital assets. It bridges the gap between traditional insurance and blockchain innovation, creating a safer environment for the growing decentralized economy. Don't miss out. Make sure to sign up using the link https://lnk.do/jquucoif to claim your new user bonus today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the crypto world.